bunch of goodies. I already opened the main box, and first off we have this amazing pigtail for the GoPro, which I lost. And you're all going to love this. Logo stickers for my Pitster. Just in case anybody at the gas station doesn't know what it is, I'm putting these on. Plus it'll really piss off the guys at work. Alright, I did have to get some equipment for off-road riding. Goggles. These Fox main goggles. Sock. Very important.
Where did you say you got it again? From a fisherman off the Caspian Sea. It's beluga, finest.
I think they'll do as goggles.
Chocolate from Belgium? Yeah, and they're truffles, which makes
They got a nice grip here for the helmet. And that's actually pretty comfortable. And I have a perfectly clear view.
I don't know what you're talking about. You're right, here.
Those are pin locks, yep.
You know what?
When I get to racing.
And I'm running late for an interview with a rock band to play.
I just have to make sure they fit my helmet because I actually don't have an off-road helmet. I have a, when I use a Bell
Have a great day.
qualifier without the shield. I'm cheap, I just don't feel like spending money on a helmet, I don't need to. Okay, so the main thing I needed was a good pair of riding boots. Of course, I didn't want to spend $300. I don't know how I'm going to like off-road riding. It's going to be something I'm going to do a lot of. I don't know how this is going to go, so $100 seemed pretty reasonable. I bought a pair of O'Neill Riders. Let's take a look. Let's make sure they're the right size. 12s or 46s. Let's see what we got here. So these, O'Neill makes a couple of entry-level boots. They make this Rider and they make the Explorer, I think. The Explorer is a little more ADV-ish. It has like a glued sole. This also comes with this metal tip, which helps any sole separation. I guess a lot of the glued soles separate, so I like this idea better, and they're pretty much the same cost. This also has malleolus ankle protection and wear protection, which is in a big thin plastic piece here.
One question. When did you apply for that job in Argentina?
Synthetic area here to keep in a grippy area here for the bike. Let's take a look at these buckles. A guard down here, keep things from popping the buckle open, and a little extra protection. And a shift pad. They're stiff. Make sure there's nothing in them. Oh, there's something in them. Nope. We have a flex area back here. But these are going to take a little breaking in, I think. And a little gusset here for keep debris out and all that. And they're not waterproof, but from what I've read online, they do keep water out pretty good for not being waterproof. We'll see. Alright. Let's try them on.
I love when Bella looks like she's gonna intense. Oh my god, I'm trying to watch this. I have no idea what you just said.
take a 12 wide. God, there's plenty of room in there. Well, no problem, the room's in the calf. Like I said, I normally take a 12 wide. And there's a little pressure right there. Wow.
I don't know what to do with myself.
Why?
I just don't know.
Geez, that's pretty damn blisteringly uncomfortable. I feel like I'm wearing cinder blocks on my feet. I don't know what off-road riding boots are supposed to feel like, but I don't think they're supposed to feel like I'm wearing cinder blocks. I don't know how much that's gonna break in. It is quite painful to walk around in. Yeah. They're killing me. This side especially, when I get up and walk, it feels like, they're not gonna do. Oh well, that's that. It's not something that's going to break in. This side especially feels like it's just stabbing into my toe. And as the boot flexes, it just drives that bone right in. That is not going to be good, and it's not going to make for good riding. I'm going to be in agony and not too long.